To manage more properties, you need to upgrade. Go to Settings and select Membership. Here you see cards for different packages. To test the app extensively, you can claim a 2-month free trial. This raises your limit to 25 properties for 2 months. Beyond the trial, there are annual packages. Standard, up to 25 properties. Premium, up to 50 properties. Enterprise, up to 150 properties. For large investors needing more than 150 properties or extra team members, you can contact support for a custom price. Let's look at the special benefits of Premium and Enterprise. These packages enable Cloud Sync. Once you push your data to the server, you can fetch it on any other phone, tablet, or computer. Enterprise users also get team management. You can invite up to 2 team members on the base plan to manage properties jointly. To get these benefits, click Upgrade and complete the payment. The Balabat team will verify the payment and adjust your tier.